Welcome back. Still watching the newsroom right here on ET Now. First Source is the company in focus. The result season is going on in full swing, and the second quarter numbers are pouring in. We're talking to Mr. Sanjeev Goenka of First Source right now on how the quarter went by. Mr. Goenka, good afternoon. Thank you very much for your time. The sector, clearly, some of your peers, larger peers, actually gave good commentary and spoke about tailwinds. What was your own experience this quarter gone by? Last quarter, we saw some softness. Have things improved in this one? And how are you seeing things pan out?
Clearly, I think this quarter has been a very good quarter. In fact, it's been the best quarter that First Source has ever had. And if you see quarter on quarter, this quarter two this year versus quarter two last year, the growth in PAT is 56%. So that's really a remarkable jump, quite honestly. So it's something that we are very excited about, and we do hope that this becomes the base for us, not the peak.
As of first quarter, you spoke about 6 to 10% in constant currency as far as the guidance is concerned. Is there a reason to improve upon that, or how would you see things going forward from here on?
Yes, I think we'd like to revise the guidance to about 9 to 12%. We do see that this year will be better than we had thought in the first quarter. And we are fairly confident that we should be able to get somewhere between 9 to 12%.
That's interesting. From 6 to 10% after this quarter, you are upping the guidance to 9 to 12%. Talk to us about how operating margins or profitability profile went by, and is there more scope for improvement of margins and improvement in profitability as well with better tailwind on the top line front?
Yes, I think so. I mean, if you see EBITDA margins were 15.8% compared to 13.4%. So there was a 2.4% growth in EBITDA margins. And in terms of EBIT margins, they were 2.6% up. We do see this kind of a trend going forward. We expect to see better margins for sure. And what's very interesting for me is that, if you remember, we've been trying to make an attempt to get into digital-related businesses as opposed to just BPO services. And now 1/3 of our pipeline of 400 million is digital-related. And now that, to my mind, is a very significant step forward. The investments that we've made in SG&A and over the last year and or 5 or 6 quarters now seem to be beginning to pay off. And we definitely see this tailwind continuing. This is a process of building our digital business. It will take a few quarters, but yes, a beginning has been made. We've got our first contract. The sales pipeline is beginning to materialize. So fingers crossed.
Very interesting commentary coming from you, Mr. Goenka. Talk to us about various verticals and what kind of conversations is the team engaged with within those verticals with key clients, be it BFSI, healthcare, communication, or media?
I think, frankly, as of now, every vertical is way better than the first quarter. And where we find a huge traction right now is the mortgages business. If you remember, we had taken over this company called ISGN, which is now part of First Source, a couple of years ago. This is something that's sort of moving exponentially. And the mortgage business in the US is going through a significant boom. And that's helping us as well. And work from home now is becoming something that companies which hadn't accepted it earlier, they are also accepting it. So all these things are helping, and I think it looks good.
Mr. Goenka, you know, it's been a very good quarter for you. Great commentary coming in as I chat with you. And you are seeing that there's very meaningful improvement in the business model which is taking shape. McKinsey just told us a couple of days back that 5 years of digitization has actually happened in 5 months of COVID. Now with your company in much more robust shape and things are fundamentally improving quite a lot, leave us with your bigger picture thought for the company and how do you see things take shape when the industry you operate in itself is structurally undergoing a change, say 2-year, 3-year far out view.
So that's why we began this journey into the digital area about a few quarters ago. And it's moving from an IT-enabled services to IT services. And the investment in sales side seems to be paying off. The investment in solutions building seems to be paid off. We've got our first contract from companies like Amazon, Syntellis, Beeline, and these are all tech companies. And I think it's a beginning. We weren't in this space before. It's a beginning for us. But going forward, this is where you will see the growth of the company coming and margins becoming more and more robust because of our emphasis on this.
All right, Mr. Goenka, we'll let you go on that one. Thanks so much for your time. Congratulations on a great quarter and best wishes for continuing this momentum at the company.
Thank you so much.